Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to DomoAI, an all-in-one AI platform that lets you create videos, images, and edits in just a few clicks. Whether you want to make realistic videos, stunning AI images, or unique creative visuals, DomoAI makes it super easy. It also comes with Nano Banana Pro, which helps you combine multiple elements and generate high-quality results in seconds. Once you sign up using the link in the description, you'll land on a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Here, you'll find sections for AI video, AI image, and AI editing, along with quick apps like text to video, image to video, video to cartoon, and more. There are also pre-made templates and ideas if you're looking for inspiration. Let's dive into the video section first. Clicking here opens the Video Creation Hub, where you can pick text to video, image to video, or video to video. I'll start with text to video. For example, I type, a futuristic robot chef preparing colorful dishes in a sleek modern kitchen, cinematic lighting, and smooth camera pans. Then I click AI Optimize, which refines the prompt for even better results. Next, I select the V2.5 Pro model for high-quality output and choose the epic cinematic style. After adjusting the length and aspect ratio, I hit Generate and the AI immediately starts processing. A few seconds later, the video is ready. You can download it, grab the assets, or regenerate a new version if you want a fresh take. Let's try another prompt. A young dancer performing under colorful city lights at night with dynamic camera movement and slow motion effects. Once I hit Generate, DomoAI quickly produces a realistic, smooth motion video exactly as described. Next, let's explore image to video. I upload an image. Within moments, the AI brings the static image to life as a moving video. DomoAI handles complex visuals effortlessly, making it perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone who wants professional quality videos fast. Next, we have the talking avatar feature. With this, you can create a talking avatar using an image or a video. All you need to do is upload your image, then upload the audio. After that, enter your prompt, choose the duration and style, and click on Generate. The system will start processing, and in a few moments, it will create a talking avatar.
In a world that rushes endlessly, I choose to walk with purpose, grace, and patience. True strength is not shown in speed or noise, but in calm confidence and quiet dignity. I move forward step by step, knowing exactly who I am and where I'm going.
Based on your prompt and audio. As you can see, my avatar is now ready. Now, let's move to the AI image section. Here, Nano Banana Pro powered by Gemini 3 lets you create images from text or merge multiple images. For instance, I upload 3 separate items and type. With one click on Generate, DomoAI merges everything into a single, realistic image that perfectly matches the prompt. You can also create images directly from text by entering a description, choosing a model, and clicking Generate. And just like that, you get high-quality AI visuals in seconds. With DomoAI, producing videos, images, and creative content is fast, fun, and incredibly easy. You can experiment with different styles, try templates, and bring your ideas to life with minimal effort. Check out the link in the description to start creating with DomoAI today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.